Ever found yourself staring at a confusing list of international transfer fees, wondering if you're getting the best deal? Or maybe you've been hit with unexpected charges when using your card abroad. We've all been there. Navigating the world of international finance can feel like walking through a minefield, especially with so many options popping up. Two names that often come into the conversation are Wise, formerly TransferWise, and YouTrip. Both promise a better way to manage your money across borders, but what actually sets them apart? That's exactly what we're diving into today. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's understand the core problem both Wise and YouTrip aim to solve. Traditional banks often hit you with hefty fees for international transfers, currency conversions, and even using your debit card overseas. These fees can eat into your travel budget or make sending money home a lot more expensive than it needs to be. Wise and YouTrip offer alternative solutions, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. So, let's start with Wise. They've built their reputation on transparency and low fees, particularly when it comes to international money transfers. Their core offering revolves around a multi-currency account, which allows you to hold and exchange various currencies at the real mid-market exchange rate. That's the rate you see on Google. This means no hidden markups or inflated exchange rates, which can save you a significant amount compared to using your bank. Wise also offers a debit card linked to your multi-currency account, making it convenient to spend abroad in the local currency. Their fee structure is generally transparent, with a small percentage charged for transfers and currency conversions. Wise is a solid option if your primary need is sending money internationally or holding multiple currencies. Now, let's talk about YouTrip. They focus primarily on providing a multi-currency wallet and a prepaid MasterCard that you can use for spending abroad. YouTrip also boasts competitive exchange rates, often close to the mid-market rate, and aims to eliminate those pesky foreign transaction fees that banks love to slap on. The key difference here is that YouTrip is more geared towards everyday spending while traveling. Think of it as your dedicated travel card. You load it with your home currency, and then use it like a regular debit card in shops, restaurants, and ATMs worldwide. YouTrip's strength lies in its simplicity and focus on making overseas spending hassle-free. So, where do they differ? While both offer competitive exchange rates, Wise excels in international money transfers and holding a wide range of currencies. If you frequently send larger sums of money abroad or need to manage multiple currencies for business or personal reasons, Wise is likely the better choice. YouTrip, on the other hand, shines when it comes to everyday spending while traveling. It's a convenient and cost-effective way to avoid foreign transaction fees and get competitive exchange rates without the complexities of managing multiple accounts. Think of it as your travel companion, while Wise is more like your international finance manager. Another key difference is in how they operate. Wise uses a peer-to-peer network to facilitate transfers, which is why they can offer such competitive rates. YouTrip, while offering good rates, primarily focuses on the ease of use and elimination of transaction fees for spending. This difference in approach leads to slightly different fee structures and target audiences. Choosing between Wise and YouTrip really boils down to your individual needs. If you're a frequent traveler who wants a simple and cost-effective way to spend abroad, YouTrip is a great option. If you regularly send money internationally or need to manage multiple currencies, Wise is the way to go. In some cases, using both might even be the best strategy, YouTrip for spending and Wise for transfers. With said, thanks for watching, and until next time.